Art is an integral part of our life. Actually, art is the lifeline within us. Art is not just a sense of beauty appreciation or aesthetics. It's a legacy, cultural heritage, and social responsibility, says Dr. T.B. Solabakanavar. His creations with brush spots are located in the corner of the heart of everybody. They have depicted the value of rural heritage to us. Amongst many of them, the one most admiring is Model Traditional Village in Bengaluru. Here, one can experience the connection of ancestral roots with this land, heritage, routine life of a culturally rich craftsmen and women, our invaluable culture. North and South Karnataka, two cultures have also been depicted marvelously here. Karnataka is not just a piece of land, it's a blend of different cultural backgrounds and their aura. Kannada, Kannadiga's folklore, religious and culturally laced rituals, and rural lifestyle can be witnessed here. The different patterns of agriculture, supporting artisans, craftsmen, and women, one can certainly admire the labor of love of these never tiring or retiring people with nerves of steel. The sculptures here are so lively that they seem breathing in the fineness of the artist's creation. The onlookers can feel breathtaking once they closely glance into their details. Though the sculptures are silent, they speak to us. There is a song of silence to be heard. The village culture has made to survive here for generations to come. You know the better reasons. Now, our villages are changing in their very basic facets. The rural folks are our partners for difficult pleasures, which we miss out in city life. The connection with soil, attachment of living culturally and religiously rich, gathering for community's common pleasure, singing and dancing to add value to folk arts has been the bond of togetherness, which has been strengthened over centuries. Soon after harvest, they begin with intimidating wrestling matches and enjoy in applauding the men with nerves of steel and whistling in Kambala. Both are fantastically carved and made audible by the artists of par excellence. The judicious blend of North Karnataka's folk artistry, Bayalata, the South Karnataka's prominent Ikshigana, are the two different heritages which have been showcased here to help appreciate richness and contributions of our roots in villages. Villages are our lifeline. Principal architect Sri Rajaharsha of the Gotagodi Shilpakala Kutira in Shigami at Haveri district, which introduces traditional folk culture and heritage of our rural companions, has been able to build this model village with his dedicated team of craftsmen. The model Kalaloka was then the dream project of Congress-led government in Karnataka. in association with the Mahatma Gandhi Rural Energy and Development Institute, was later formally inaugurated by the BJP government. The people of Bangalore, in order to cherish and rejuvenate the rural life, folk traditions, and to know religious rituals richness, after getting out from the suffocating urban, always urgency environment, are sure to experience happy sigh for a moment in this ideal heritage village. Thanks to the visionaries who created this heaven.